Walk on in.
This is not where we're going. So this afternoon we are going to the Ritz for afternoon tea, and it's going to be very exciting. We have never done tea, formal tea, at the Ritz here in Paris at Place Vendôme. So come along with us. Is this Salon Pouce? Here we are at Salon Pouce, where we will enjoy our afternoon tea presentation. So I'm just coming into the ladies' room now. Here we are inside the little bathroom stall here at the Ritz Hotel in Paris. And look at the fixtures on the sink. Kind of over the top, but very pretty, don't you think? And we have the soap dispensers. And there I am. And of course, lovely towels, tissues. Quite lovely. And these are the outer sinks. Quite lovely.
To start our tea experience here at the Ritz, they brought us a small lemon biscuit. It's delicious. Oh, I wish you're here to share this with us.
It was put in this little cup of milk. I don't like milk. That sort of killed it for me, but Jeff is eating mine. And we have these lovely glasses of champagne.
Cheers, my dear.
Cheers.
Cheers to being in Paris. Très magnifique.
So here's our selection of delicious desserts. I expected some tea sandwiches. However, we wanted the tea that came with the glasses of champagne. So ours is all sweet. And the tea will be coming soon. Like to tell us what you're eating.
Okay, I'm pointing it at it. And then I'm taking it to my mouth. Any other direction?
What are you eating?
I'm eating a delicious little Ritz cookie. Don't be confused with Ritz crackers. These are not Ritz crackers. These are Ritz cookies.
The tea has arrived. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell it. I haven't even touched the cup and it just smells so exotic, like the finest jasmine. Ah. Interesting activity going on over here with a fork in his tea.
Breaking up the sugar cube so that it dissolves more quickly. I learned that in physics class, that the more you pulverize a sugar cube into smaller area, it increases the area of displacement. The area of displacement increases the absorption rate. Therefore, although it seems quite illogical, a fork breaking up the sugar cube makes the jasmine tea delicious.
Doesn't seem like something you should do at the Ritz in Paris.
That is so good.
So I ate the head off my teddy bear that's stuffed with marshmallow. And this is a very dense marble cake. This next item looks like a madeleine. Very chocolatey madeleine. It is apparently filled with chocolate inside. It's very good.
Now that I'm actually here at the Ritz, I think they should change the name of this from tea and sandwiches to donuts and champagne. Just my thought.
Okay, moving along, I'm going to try this long, looks like a little cookie filled with chocolate.
Good.
The chocolate is very soft.
Like a chocolate mousse.
Exactly. Just like a chocolate mousse sitting in a cookie. So next, we have this. It looks like peanut brittle, except it's like an inner layer of, I don't know, raspberry or something. It's very chewy. When you take a bite and it's in your mouth, you're not exactly sure what to do with it, and you stop for a second and decide, do I chew fast? Do I chew slow? Is this going to be chewed? I mean, how long will it take me to chew this? Those are all questions to ponder if you choose to pick up this piece in particular.
Let's chew that for a while.
So we were sent home with a little box of leftover goodies from our afternoon tea and these two adorable little boxes of tea from the Ritz in Paris.
And here you are, fresh and ready to go back outside and leave the lovely Ritz Paris.
Well, we're going to stop over at the little boutiques.
Okay. All right. Away we go.
Walking down the Champs-Elysees